Okay, here we have the Weiler 1109 grinder and the vat dumper to feed it and the receiving table. You can see we've put an extension hopper on the Weiler, and we have the steps here to go up. We'll go up here and show it. We'll go up here and you can see the guarding on top of the Weiler to protect you from getting in the auger. Here's the receiving table, and there's the chute on the vat dumper. Here we've got the power pack here. There's the controls for the dumper, the up, down, emergency stop. Here's the vat dumper. It's guarded on each side. And there you have it. It's all ready to go.